Telepathy challenge. Now you may have heard this on YouTube, but today we're going to be doing it with a twist. We're going to do it dragon/monster themed. But before we get started, click that subscribe button, turn the notification to give us a huge thumbs up! Round 1. Glue. I'm going to close my eyes and he's going to pick one. You done? Yep. Yeah. Okay, push him over here. I think you too. Which one did you choose? Clear? I choose clear. Yay! Got it.
Point to both of you.
Round 2. Coloring. I'm going to choose this round. You guys.
What color is it?
Red.
Red?
Red.
You guys got the same thing. 2 points.
Red is closest to pink. I'm going to go over there so that I can't hear him if he does shading green.
He's got a poker face. Shake it.
Dude, that's rats. What did you do? Shading green? Shading green.
Oh my gosh, they look identical now. It's
I
crazy.
need some wet. Mine's. Round 4. Glitter number 1. Okay, I'm going to choose this round so Corbin, close your eyes. Put them over the top. Okay. You done? Yeah, here. Corbin, how did you get it correct? Okay, next glitter round. Round 2 of glitter. And also round 5. Don't look at it. Can I put it 2?
You know this here, my favorite places.
Hurry up. Get it? We cut that. I'm going to choose. Which one? What? I chose.
Oh, the first one different.
Yeah. Wait. I chose this one because it doesn't just red. Why would you think that I would choose a different one? What's my favorite color? Well, because this one is red. I know. Who cares?
Okay.
Okay.
No, Corbin, go in the other room.
Okay. I'm going to choose.
Okay.
I pointed to it. Okay.
I don't even know what
Googly eyes? Is that? I thought that too.
Oh, wait, I want the big googly eyes.
Big googly eyes. Big googly eyes. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Go. Go, Corbin, go. 3. Is it clay? Stop, pause.
Can I have some smaller ones?
What's the smaller one? I already know. There's smaller ones in here.
Do we pour the whole thing in?
Yeah. I poured mine all in.
You know that one has weird eyes.
No, it 7! Colored pom-poms. She has to guess what color I put in my slime.
No, just one.
Did you do it? Yeah.
Just putting them back in.
Only a little bit of each color. Did you press pause? Yes. Okay, ready? Wait, how's it? Okay, ready? I'm going to put. What color did you put in? Green. I put in blue.
Aww.
Wait,
I was one for new.
6! Don't close your eyes. Okay, no, I want some more. I'm spraying my pom-pom. No. She's using one spray, only one. Really? Yeah. You only can use one. Yeah, you got it right.
Because I can smell it. You can smell it.
Oh yeah. That was bad. Okay, now it's time for activate. So we decided we were gonna do add-on because we didn't have any chance. So
So
we're
it's
gonna
gonna
be
be shaving cream, lotion, and water.
okay. So I'm gonna go in the other room.
I'm going to add in this.
That's enough.
Done. Water. What did you do? Lotion. And now activate it.
Slime. It's all gooey. It has ginormous eyeballs. You can't see because it's covered in.
Okay, this is my slime. Now I didn't mix it yet. The water's underneath it. These are my pom-poms, and I have one humongous size, and those are small ones. Yeah, it's time to activate. Green, come watch me. Okay, so I think I poured a little bit too much, or I mean the camera girl. So it's gonna be a little bit overactivated, but that's okay. Oh, actually, it's not gonna be. I don't think it will. It's gonna go. Going well.
This is my slime right
so
now. It's all
happy. Wait, Corbin, you haven't gotten it of your hand. I heard it gotten into my hand.
Why don't you mix them?
I mean, I could have mixed it, but it's hard to mix it. I'm just gonna mix it with my. So my slime is more of the wet consistency. I think I added too much water.
too.
But I'm gonna go in my hands now. His is really good. Mine is like.
I told you to pour
it's
out
like
after it.
brain.
Monster?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I guess.
Mine's
I guess
kinda like
I won.
spider.
My humongous pom-pom is died now. And then this is my eye. Right here.
This is mine. It's like a.
Okay, we'll be right back whenever the slimes are done.
So I had to add some glue to mine because it wasn't really working. It was more web. And my pom-poms are like,
Mine's kind of like that.
no more. So my pom-poms have actually like shrinking. That Corbin pom-poms are tiny. I only have one.
I had two. I don't know what
Okay, that's just starting to work in. Better than the webby consistency. That was bad.
This is mine. It's more like a brain than.
Yes, I guess it's like just switched consistency. So this is mine. It's actually pretty nice.
I think I need some more glue.
See? But it is really cool. Here it is. That's my humongous pom-pom. Ew, wait.
You died.
That's really weird. Okay, this is my.
Get it on!
I'm gonna do an Instagram fun. Look
My
at my
brain.
See, I'm doing an Instagram fun.
I need a glue. Can I go back? I need to go back.
Okay.
Okay, ready? This is mine.
Guys,
My color just changed.
go get some more glue. Give me some more glue. Hers turned better by getting more glue. Give me some glue.
I think it's too sticky.
On pause. That's all we